Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your GMC Sierra. Proper headlight aim is crucial for both your safety and the safety of others on the road. Misaligned headlights can reduce visibility or even blind oncoming drivers. We will go through the simple steps to ensure your beams are perfectly aligned. You will need just a few basic tools to get started, making this a straightforward task you can do yourself. Before making any adjustments, proper preparation is key for accuracy. First, measure the height from the ground to the center of your headlight lens. Transfer this measurement to the wall, creating a horizontal reference line. Next, measure the distance between the centers of your two headlights. Use this to mark two vertical lines on the wall, one for each headlight. These marks will guide your adjustments. Now, let's get to the actual adjustment. You will find two adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. One screw controls the vertical aim, and the other controls the horizontal aim. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical screw, bringing the top of the beam to your horizontal wall line. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam on its respective vertical line. Work on one headlight at a time. After adjusting, it is essential to perform a final check. Step back about 25 feet from the wall to get a broader perspective. The brightest part of your low beam should fall slightly below the horizontal line you marked. Ensure both headlights are aimed consistently and provide good, even illumination. Finally, take your vehicle for a short drive on a dark road to confirm the adjustments provide optimal visibility without dazzling other drivers. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.